Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI Masterclass series on Arc Tutorials, where I'm making AI concepts simple and easy for you to understand. In today's episode, we are learning what is inference speed. This is part 10 of the series. Make sure that you watch all the previous episodes on this series to master AI concepts. Alright, so what is inference speed? Inference is nothing but an AI producing an output. Speed is your response time. So the faster the inference, that means the snappier our intern is. We are using the intern analogy here in this episode as well. So remember that the faster the response, the faster your model is responding. Think of it this way. If an intern is answering slow, that means it's taking minutes to reply. Fast means it's responding instantly. Now, this depends on multiple parameters like depending on the complexity of the task, brain size, which is the parameters on which the AI model is trained. And also it includes the hardware that it's running on. So speed matters for the real-time application. So when you use Gemini or ChatGPT, you get instant answers. That is the inference speed. Now, how does model parameters affect here? Small model means it's really fast because it has less parameters to work with. Whereas when you talk about the large learning models or the large AI model, it's typically slow, but then it depends on your batching, GPU, quantization. So developers need to balance speed. Also matters is the accuracy. Now, how do you think of in a simple view? Think of it this way. Inference speed is equal to your intern's typing speed. How fast your AI model can type. Now this depends on various parameters like I told you earlier. Depends on your hardware, GPU, how many parameters it's trained on, etc. So fast intern means quick answers, better user experience. I hope you are clear with the concept of the inference speed. I covered inference versus training in the last episode. Make sure that you watch that. Watch this entire series to master AI concepts with me. Follow me for more simplified AI explanations. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next episode.